सभासद माननीय सभापति जी।
Papers to be laid on the table. Please allow papers to be laid. General V.K. Singh.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में अपने वरिष्ठ सहयोगी श्रीमती सुषमा स्वराज, विदेश मंत्री के नाम के समक्ष क्रम संख्या 1 में दर्शाए दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Shri Venkaiah Naidu.
With your kind permission, I rise to lay the papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business.
Shri Thawar Chand Gehlot.
सभापति महोदय, आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के आगे क्रम संख्या 3 पर उल्लेखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Rao Inderjeet Singh.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 4 of today's revised list of business.
Dr. Jitendra Singh.
की अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यवली की क्रम संख्या 5 पर मेरे नाम के आगे सूचीबद्ध कागजात सभा पटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
General V.K. Singh.
सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की संशोधित कार्यसूची में अपने नाम के समक्ष क्रम संख्या 6 पर दर्शाए दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Shri Upendra Khoshwal.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 7 पर अपने नाम के सामने उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Shri Krishnalal Pal.
महोदय, आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 8 पर अपने नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Shri Y.S. Chaudhary.
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to lay on the table the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 9 of today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Shri Krishnan Pal.
महोदय, आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 10 पर अपने साथी राज्य मंत्री श्री विजय सापला जी के नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध दस्तावेजों को सदन के पटल पर रखता हूं।
Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey.
महोदय, मैं आपकी अनुमति से मेरे नाम के आगे क्रम संख्या 11 पर उल्लिखित दस्तावेज सभा पटल पर रखता हूं।
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice. Shri Dilip Bhai Pandey.
Thank you, sir. I beg to present the 87th report in English and Hindi of the department related to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice on the subject inordinate delay in filling up of vacancies in Supreme Court and High Courts. Thank you, sir.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Defence. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy.
Sir, I beg to lay a copy of the 23rd report, Hindi and English versions, of the Standing Committee on Defence as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Shri Amar Shankar Sable.
धन्यवाद महोदय, मैं श्रम संबंधी स्थायी समिति का 20वां प्रतिवेदन सभा पटल पर रखता हूं, जैसा कि आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने सूचीबद्ध है।
Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources. Shri Anand Bhaskar Rapolo.
Respected Chairman, with your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table a copy of each in English and Hindi the following reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Water Resources. Number 1, 11th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 5th report on the subject review of groundwater scenario, dark blocks and contamination of the underground water. Number 2, 12th report on action taken by the government on the observations and recommendations contained in the 9th report of the committee on demands for grants. Thank you, sir.
A statement by Minister Shri Y.S. Chaudhary.
Respected sir, with your permission, I beg to make a statement regarding on the status of implementation by the Ministry of Earth Sciences on the recommendations contained in the 284th report of the Department related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Science and Technology, Environment and Forests, mentioned against my name in today's revised list of business. The present status of implementation is as per the statement which is laid on the table of this House. Thank you.
Thank you. Motion for election to the National Institutes of Technology, Science Education and Research Council. Dr. Mahendra Nath Pandey.
Sir, with your permission, on behalf of Sri Prakash Javadekar, I beg to move that in pursuance of clause 1 of subsection 2 of section 30, read with subsection 1 and 2 of section 31 of the National Institute of Technology, Science, Education and Research Act 2007, number 29 of 2007, this House to proceed to elect in such manner as the chairman may direct one member from among the members of the House to be a member of the National Institute of Technology, Science, Education and Research Council.
Motion moved. Those in favor, please say aye. Aye. Those against, please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Matters.
Is the 38 days completed after demonetization scheme announced by the government. Meanwhile, more than 100 people have died in the queue. And we are, sir, one second, please.
Let the discussion start.
About the dead people.
How can it be?
No, sir, we are talking about the dead people.
Do you have a zero hour
I'm talking of the poor people who are benefited by this
we are
government
talking
decision,
about the
historic
dead.
decision of the government.
Dead should be mourned. Sir, dead should be mourned.
All right.
Not to be objected.
Okay, fine.
Sir, this is
Let me get on with business.
Politics. This is politics, sir. This is not allowed.
All right. Okay. Now just a minute, please.
Let there be debate. Let there be debate. Today, sir, historic day.
Just a minute.
November 8th is a
Just a
historic
minute,
day.
please. Just a minute, please.
November 8th is a historic day.
1 minute, please.
Where a bold decision has been taken by
Leader
the
of
government.
opposition, please.
No.
1
Sir,
minute.
this is not the way. If we
Leader
are
of
starting the
opposition.
debate, sir, I have no problem in hearing the leader of the House.
May I request all to sit down, please? Leader of opposition.
I have no problem to hear the leader of the opposition, whom I respect very much. But what is happening in the House, I want to put it on behalf of the government.
No, 1 minute. Venkayji,
I want to put
you
on
will
the
get your chance
Sir,
to
the
speak.
LOP will have a chance.
Let him
Afterwards,
say.
they won't allow us to speak. What is this happening?
You will get your chance.
That happens.
Please sit down. Please
That
sit
is
down.
happening every day.
Then 1 minute, please. Please allow the Venkayji, please.
After that, you sit down.
Yes, leader of opposition. Leader of opposition. बैठ जाइए ना प्लीज बैठ जाइए
काले धन के कुबेरों की कंगाली का काला दिवस मनाया है उसे हम समझ सकते हैं लेकिन हमारे लिए सुननी पड़ेगी
Let him speak 1 minute. Please sit down. Please sit down. No, please sit down. Please sit down. Please. It's not proper. 1 minute. बैठ जाइए भाई बैठ जाइए. This is not.
Who will protect us? Members come here in front of me. They will allow me to speak. Are we so helpless? The chair should take it very seriously.
What is this?
They are coming here in front of me.
What is this?
They are coming here in front of me. They are not allowing me, the government to speak.
Venkayji.
We have the mind of the people. We have not done anything wrong.
You can't be heard. Please tell them.
Sir, you have to come to the rescue. You have to come to the rescue of the members, including ministers. How we become so helpless?
Honorable ministers can't be agitating.
Very bad situation, sir. The leader of opposition,
Please sit down.
no. They are
One minute.
It is their choice.
Just 1 minute.
I have no
Please sit
problem.
down.
If
Please
they
sit
want to
down.
observe Kala Dhan ka Samarthan
Venkayji, please. Please. Yes, leader of opposition, please. Leader of opposition, please sit down. सुन लीजिए.
Sir,
Venkayji.
will you please hear me for a minute? Not on the issue. Will you please hear me for a minute on procedure?
No, I can't hear you.
On the
All these
procedure.
people are shouting behind. Please,
Sir,
आप लोग बैठ
will you hear
जाइए.
me on the
बैठ जाइए.
procedure? Will you hear me on the procedure, sir? I am also having some experience in this house.
Of course you have.
Minister. Sir, I know how you are respecting the chair. Sir, after whatever the chair says, we will all abide by the chair. We have been abiding, and that too, when the chairman himself is there, we have to abide. My point is, after the LOP speaks, then the moment
You will get a chance to speak.
The moment we stand up, they will come to the house.
Look, there is a well-established.
they protest inside and they don't want to hear the
Venkaya ji,
comment.
please, 1 minute.
हमारा कौन सुनेगा?
1 minute, please.
सरकार का कौन सुनेगा? सरकार का कोई
1 minute, please.
अधिकार नहीं है क्या?
Please. आप लोग बैठ जाइए. Please sit down. Please, all sit down, please. आप बैठ जाइए, please. आप बैठ जाइए. नहीं, आप बैठ जाइए. आप बैठ जाइए. भाई, आप बैठ जाइए. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Venkaya ji, there is a well-established practice in the House that when the leader of the House or the leader of opposition wish to speak, they are allowed to do so. So we will stick to the practice. The leader of opposition has wished to speak. Let us hear him. If the leader of the House wishes to speak, it's always
We never contest that. We totally agree with the chair. We have respect personally and also institutionally to the leader of the opposition position. But the point I am trying to make is, they are making their point of view. They are accusing us. The moment we stand up, they are coming to the well of the House, covering us.
Nobody has a legitimate right to come to the well of the House.
Let me put on record 15 days. They come to the well of House. This side also. They are in opposition.
Please.
They are occupying the position also.
बैठ जाइए.
Being in opposition.
बैठ जाइए. आप भी बैठ जाइए.
The chair should ensure us.
Venkaya ji, please.
I have no problem, sir.
Please allow me.
I have no problem.
Sit down, please. Ministers are agitated. Please. आप बैठ जाइए. गुलाम नबी साहब, please बैठ जाइए आप. बैठ जाइए. Please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down. Sit down. No.
Sir.
Sit down. बैठ जाइए आप. Don't shout from there. Okay, all right. नहीं, stop this crossfire.
सर, हमारी
Please stop this crossfire. Please sit down.
कई दिनों से हमारी मांग है.
बैठ जाइए. आप बैठ जाइए.
नोटबंदी के
No, you can't do this.
नोटबंदी के निर्णय के बाद 100 से ज्यादा किसान, औरतें, मर्द, बूढ़े, बुजुर्ग, नौजवान
भाई बैठ जाइए. क्यों आप
जान दे
इंटरप्ट कर
चुके
रहे हैं?
और हम चाहते थे कि इस सदन में उनको श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित की जाए.
आप बैठ जाइए.
लेकिन सरकार ने
देखिए, आप बैठ
100
जाइए.
से ज्यादा लोगों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करने से इनकार किया. और यही कारण है कि आज अपोजिशन के लोकसभा और राज्यसभा के तकरीबन 150 से ज्यादा एमपीज ने और 16 राजनीतिक दलों ने विपक्ष के बाहर गांधी जी की प्रतिमा के सामने ब्लैक डे मनाया. और उन 100 से ज्यादा लोगों को जो सरकार की गलत नीति की वजह से, नोटबंदी की वजह से किसी की शादी नहीं हो पाई, किसी की बेटी की शादी नहीं हो पाई, किसी को दवाई नहीं मिल पाया, कोई हॉस्पिटल नहीं दाखिला कर पाया,
ट्रेजरी बेंचेस एजिटेट,
किसी के पास अनाज खरीदने के लिए पैसे नहीं थे, उनको श्रद्धांजलि हमने बाहर पार्लियामेंट के बाहर दे दी. ये शर्म की बात है इस सरकार के लिए, इस सरकार के लिए शर्म की बात है कि पहली दफा उन शहीदों को श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित नहीं करने दी इस सदन के अंदर. जो एक 100 से ज्यादा शहीद हो गए और आप उनके जख्मों पर नमक छिड़ रहे हो और बता रहे हो कि हिंदुस्तान में क्या ठीक चल रहा. लोग मर रहे हैं और आप कह रहे ठीक चल रहा. लोगों के पास पैसा नहीं और आप कहते पैसा है. इसलिए हिंदुस्तान के गरीब लोगों के जख्मों पर आप नमक छिड़क रहे हैं.
एक करके बोलिए ना.
हमारी चाहिए
उनको खत्म करो.
शर्म, बेशर्मी की भी हद होती है, बेशर्मी की भी सीमा होती है.
You want to speak? Okay. What do you want to say?
Sir, I want to invoke Sir, I want to invoke rule number 246 and 247. Sir, leader of the house. Sir, sir.
1 minute. 1 minute.
बोलिए.
Leader of the house. Leader of the house. 1 minute.
ये नहीं चलेगा. काले धन के कुबेरों की कंगाली पर ये काला दिवस. कुबेरों की कंगाली पर ये काला दिवस नहीं चलेगा. बेईमानों और भ्रष्टाचारियों को कोई नहीं बख्शा जाएगा. आप कितना भी काले धन के कुबेरों की कंगाली पर काला दिवस बनाओ, भ्रष्टाचारी और काले धन वाले बचेंगे नहीं. नहीं बोलने पाओगे आप भी.
You just wait. First listen to him.
Sir, I am moving a motion. I am moving a motion and calling upon the chairman to put it to vote. बहस के लिए तैयार है. बहस करिए. बहस को नहीं करते. और हमारी बात सुनेंगे नहीं. हमें बोलने देंगे नहीं.
ये क्या कर रहे हैं? Don't come. Please don't come. Don't come into the room. This is wrong. Go back to your place. Go back to your place.
Sir,
Nobody is being heard.
सर, हमारी इनसे अपील है कि अभी ये डिस्कशन शुरू कर दे. सर, डिस्कशन.
आप क्या कह रहे हैं?
डिस्कशन. ये पहली बार देख रहे हैं कि काले धन के मुद्दे पर पहुंच जाते चर्चा करना. डिस्कशन कर नहीं रहे. काले धन के कुबेरों की कंगाली पर काला दिवस मनाया जा रहा है. तो इससे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. कोई काला धन और बेईमान बचेगा नहीं. और देश के गरीबों, देश के कमजोर तबकों के विकास के लिए
House is adjourned till 12:00 hours.